Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is light. Light is a form of energy. It makes everything visible to us. Sun is the main source of light on earth. During the day we can see in the presence of sunlight, but in the night we can see the things in tube light, bulbs, torches, etc. Light sources could be of two types: natural light sources and man-made or artificial sources of light. Natural sources of light are sun, stars, fireflies, anglerfish, as well as honey mushroom, etc. Man-made sources of light are lamps, tube light, electric bulb, etc. The objects that have light of their own or materials which themselves are a source of light are called luminous objects or luminous materials. For example, stars, tube light, electric bulb, burning candle, etc. Objects that do not have light of their own or the materials that are not sources of light themselves are called non-luminous objects or non-luminous materials. For example, wood, coal, moon, table, chair, ball, etc. On the basis of ability to allow light to pass through them, objects are classified into three categories. First is transparent objects. The materials which allow the light to pass through them completely are called transparent objects. For example, clear glass, water, cellophane sheet, air, etc. are transparent objects. Translucent objects. The materials which allow partial light to pass through them are called translucent objects. For example, tracing paper, thin plastic sheet, frosted glass, etc. Opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them. For example, metals, stone, wood, all are opaque objects. Rectilinear propagation of light. The property of light traveling in a straight line is called rectilinear propagation of light. To prove this, take a straight tube that can be bent easily. Place a burning candle on a stand and look at it through a tube. Then bend the tube and look at the candle again. What you will see? In first case, you can see the flame clearly, but in the second case, you cannot see the flame. That proves light travels in a straight line. A shadow is formed when an opaque object blocks the path of light completely. There should be three conditions to form a clear shadow. They are: source of light. A clear shadow is formed only when bright light falls on an object. Opaque object. An object has to block the light completely. Otherwise, the shadow will not form clearly. A screen or a surface. There has to be a surface on which the shadow can be formed. In these three conditions only, a clear shadow will form. If you want to check your progress, you can do the practice work. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share.